All right, last break of the day for the Trading Card Club, 4 p.m. Pacific time. We've got the Elite Hobby Box, Mosaic Blaster, and Chronicles Blaster. What's going on, Shane Williamson? Thanks for joining. Just going to give it a few minutes, probably until 2, 3 after, for everybody to join. Want to make sure we give it the right time for everybody to get in there and have the opportunity to watch the break. But if you're not able to watch it, it is still going to be up on our YouTube channel afterwards as well. It will be uploaded right after the break, and you're able to access that via the link in the Instagram bio. What's going on, everybody? Thanks again for joining. This is our Elite Hobby Box, Mosaic Blaster, and Chronicles Blaster break, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You guys let me know what you want me to start with. We've got the Mosaic Blaster, Chronicles Blaster, and Elite Hobby Box that has 2 autos in it. Just gonna give it another minute or two before we get going. Again, this is our 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time break. Elite Hobby, Mosaic Blaster, and Chronicles Blaster. The RRS 3566 wants to start with the Elite. Give it another minute or so. If nobody else responds on what they want to start with, we will get started with that Elite Box RRS. Give it about 1 more minute and we'll get started. What's going on, Gregory Stevens? Gonna get started here. We're gonna start with the Elite Box, and then we're gonna go. Oh, Jordan Card Collectors wants to start with Mosaic. No spots left in this one, Gregory Stevens. If you hit the link in the bio, though, it will show you all the breaks that we have going on for the future breaks. Take a look at those. We'd love to have you get in there. All right. RRS has been taken over. We're going to start with the Blasters, and then we're going to hit the Elite last. All right, let's go. Chronicles, Blaster, Mosaic, Blaster, and then we'll hit the Elite last. All righty, good luck, everybody. All right, we got a Paul George. We've got a Romeo Langford. That is a pink. We've got a Rookies and Stars, Kobe White. Kendrick Nunn rated rookie. And a Rui Hachimura recon. All right. We got DeAndre Hunter. We've got Russell Westbrook. Ooh, nice Prism Terrence Davis there. Nice hit there for the Raptors. Ryan S. Nice hit. LeBron James. And a marquee Kawhi Leonard. Nice hit, Ryan. Nice hit. Kawhi Leonard. Got a pink Jackson Hayes playbook. Rookies and Stars, Matthias Thybulle. Kevin Porter Jr., Luminance. And a Kawhi Leonard Essentials. Got a Rudy Gobert, Carmelo Anthony, a Jordan Poole Panini Threads, LeBron James Marquee. There we go. Nice hit for the Lakers there. Ooh, and then we've got a pink Giannis Marquee. Another nice hit. Had Arturo S. with the Marquee LeBron, and then we've got Rusty C with this one. Nice hit. There we go. First blaster is not disappointing. Got a Kobe White. It's a Giannis pink Chronicles. DeAndre Hunter, Rookies and Stars. Carson Edwards. And a XR RJ Barrett. Nice hit for the Knicks. Shane W. Nice hit. Bradley Beal. Ja Morant, Prestige. Nice Ja. A Kendrick Nunn, Hometown Heroes. Nice hit for the Heat. Kenny L, there you go. Steph Curry. And Gafford Essentials. Real nice hit on that silver Hometown Heroes for the Kendrick Nunn on the Heat. Nice one, Kenny L. Victor Oladipo. Matthias Thibault Luminance, and that's a pink. Rookies and Stars, Kawhi Leonard. Ooh, nice hit on the Zion Williamson Luminance. There we go, Ryan S. Here we go. 2 nice hits for you so far. Thank you for joining the breaks. Cam Reddish Recon. There we go. Get you out there. Two nice hits there. Wow. There we go. Let's keep it going. Cameron Johnson, Blake Griffin, Brandon Clark, R.J. Barrett Marquee, and a pink Carson Edwards Essentials. All right. Not a bad start with that Chronicles blaster. Those things are hot right now. Not as hot as these bad boys have been, though. They're still hot. Mosaics. Let's see what we can pull here. Got a Jaylen Brown, Elfrid Payton, Silver Bradley Beal, got game, and a Hall of Fame AI. Langston Galloway, Willie Cauley-Stein, Bryn Forbes Green Prism, and a Jalen Noel. Bubble MVP, Dame Lillard. Dario Saric, got game D Rose, and a Ty Jerome NBA debut. Joe Ingles, True Holiday, Green Prism Bradley Beal, and a Ty Jerome base. Jared Allen, Terrence Ferguson, a Magic Johnson Old School, and a Dominique Wilkins. Kawhi Leonard, Justice Winslow. There we go. Nice rookie NBA debut. Green Prism Rui. Nice hit there. Randy C. And we've got, y'all already saw it, a Zion Williamson base. Nice. Ryan S. coming up. Nice hits getting there. Nice and centered too. There we go. That was a great pack right there. And the Rui. That job there. Nice call, SJ, too. Rodney Hood, Jordan Clarkson, Green Prism Sean Kemp Jam Masters, and a Darius Garland NBA debut. Zion. Centered. Nice card. There we go. Way to save that blaster up with that Rui and Williamson. Last pack before the Elite Box. Norman Powell. Domantas Sabonis. A Silver Prism Klay Thompson. And a Bruno Fernando. There we go. Our first basketball break of the night had a bunch of Ja. This one has a couple nice Zions. Let's see what the Elite Box can serve us up with. A lot of packs. Split these up just so it don't fall down. Miles Bridges. There's a KD. Donovan Mitchell, star status. Brandon Ingram. And James Harden. Kevin Love. Giannis. Primary colors, Anthony Davis and Nikola Jokic, and a Montrezl Harrell. Christian Wood, Fred VanVleet, Nikolai Melli, rookie, numbered to 99, 12 out of 99 there. Wendell Carter Jr. and a D. Lillard. J.J. Redick, Eric Gordon, Spellbound, Steph Curry at the Y, Spencer Dinwiddie, and Russell Westbrook. Vucevic, Russell, Tremont Waters, red, Jamal Murray, and a Jason Tatum. Tim Hardaway, Kevin Knox, Court Vision, Brandon Ingram, Derrick Rose, and Malcolm Brogdon. De'Aaron Fox, Bryn Forbes. That's a number 249, Ignas Brazdeikis, Danilo Gallinari, and a Bam Adebayo. Jabari Parker, Rudy Gobert, and Jalen Noel, Blake Griffin, and Jaren Jackson Jr. Lou Williams, Larry Markkinen, a Giannis Antetokounmpo, and Spellbound. Bradley Beal, and True Holiday. Should still be 2 autos in this stack. Box says 2 autos on average. CP3, Kyrie Irving, Devontae Graham Red, Dennis Schroeder, and Goran Dragic. Paul George, Zach LaVine, Eric Bledsoe, number 94, Aspirations, and a Devin Booker. Dylan Brooks. Terry Rozier, Ben Simmons, I believe that's one of the autos. Got a Luka Doncic, Devontae Graham, Ben Simmons again, and we've got a Goga, Pen Pals. Nice hit for Indiana. That one there is numbered to 35, 14 of 35, Goga. There we go. Nice hit there for Randy C. Goga Batazzi. Colin Sexton, Robert Covington, Giannis, star status, Tobias Harris, and LaMarcus Aldridge. CJ McCollum, Marcus Morris, Court Vision, Zach LaVine, Karl Anthony Towns, and a Harrison Barnes. Ricky Rubio, Eric Bledsoe, Kelly Oubre Jr., number to 99, status. DeAndre Ayton, and DeMar DeRozan. Jaylen Brown, Andre Drummond, Klay Thompson. There's that Drummond. I couldn't get that other card off. We got Carson Edwards, Pen Pals. Another nice auto. This one numbered to 99. Nice hit for the Celtics. Ken H. Last one here, Andrew Wiggins. Kristaps Porzingis, Julius Randle, a Spellbound M for Giannis, Kyle Kuzma, and Domantas Sabonis. Buddy Hield, Rudy Gay, a Sekou Doumbouya, rookie, numbered to 299. Nice hit there. Good hit for the Pistons. We got Robert S. Nice hit. Shai Gilgeous and Jimmy Butler. 2 packs left. Got one spot to fill back there, even though that Sekou's going to take it. John Collins, John Wall, a Taco Fall numbered to, wait a second, 99. Numbered to 99, Taco Fall status. Nice hit again for the Celtics. Ken H. Nice auto and a nice taco. Luke Kennard and Donovan Mitchell. All right, last pack. Good luck, everybody. If you liked the break today, our future breaks are on our Instagram bio. If you hit the link, it'll take you right to our eBay. So if you're wanting to take a look, feel free. Marvin Bagley, Anthony Davis, Tobias Harris, red, Pascal Siakam, and Tristan Thompson. All right, let's go ahead and go through these hits of this break. Not bad. We have the Taco Fall, numbered to 99. The Giannis M. For Spellbound. The Pen Pals, Carson Edwards, numbered to 99. Primary colors, Anthony Davis. The O for Giannis Spellbound. Nicolo Melli, numbered to 99. Goga Badazzi, numbered to 35. Auto. Sekou to 299, rookie. Kelly Oubre, numbered to 99. Status. Eric Bledsoe, numbered to 94. Brizdeikis, numbered to 49. the Ja Morant Prestige, the XR RJ Barrett, the silver Kendrick Nunn Hometown Heroes, the pink Giannis Marquee, the Terrence Davis Prism, the Rui Hachimura Green Prism NBA debut, the Zion Williamson Luminance, and that nice Zion Williamson Mosaic base. Alrighty, thank you guys again for joining the break. Our future breaks are posted. Take a look at those. Until next weekend, we'll be back on. You guys have a good rest of your night.